Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to filter data in columns. First, you have to select the data you want to filter out. Then, we go to menu bar and click on data option, and then click on filter. Once you click on filter, these two squares are going to appear under the title of each column. You can click on the square, a drop-down menu will appear, and here you can specify your constraints for filtering the data. Suppose I want all the elements that has A in it. So if you type A, this will give us only the elements that has A in them. Click OK, this will filter our data. Suppose you want all the elements that starts with A. So we type A asterisk, this will only give us the elements that starts with A. Press OK, this will filter our data. Then, suppose you want all the elements that has A as their middle character. So you can type question mark A and then question mark. This question mark stands for any character, and then A, then another question mark, which means it can be any other character. So once you press OK, this will only give us these three options that has A as the middle character. You can also remove the filter by clicking on the square and then click on clear filter from once. This will remove all the filters from our data. Suppose you want to filter the data according to numbers. So you can come to this column, click on the square, and now go to the number filters option. Here you have a set of filters you can apply to your data. You will go for the greater than option, click on that, and now you can specify which value you want your data to be greater than. Suppose we want all the value that's greater than 200. We'll type 200, press OK. This will filter the data and only leave the elements that has the value greater than 200. Now it's also important to mention that if you look at the squares, once you apply the filter, the square is going to turn into a small funnel. So if you want to remove the filter, you click on that funnel and click on clear filter from expenses. Another important thing we can do with filter is you can filter the result of another filter. So let's try that. Suppose you want the data that has the value greater than 200 and starts with A. So we click on this square and then number filters, we go for greater than, and then type 200. So for example, we want the value to be greater than 200. Press OK, and then click on this square. Here, type A asterisk, and then press enter. This is going to give us the data that's greater than 200 and starts with A. Thank you.